Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Guys, we're finally going to test the Ego 56 volt cordless pressure washer. Now, I've got a friend that is a professional pressure washer. So he uses a professional machine, and he's got a really cool car, and we're going to focus on the pressure washer. I don't think we're going to use the vac in this video. I've got two 10 amp hour batteries, and we're going to go with a bucket of water and see if that's enough. I'm excited to use this and see what his thoughts are. So why don't we go ahead and check this out? Let's get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, we're all packed up. I don't know if we'll have enough time to use the wet dry vac, but we're definitely using the new pressure washer, 3200 PSI. Now let's check this out. All right, guys, so we finally are going to be doing a demo on the pressure washer. Now, we did the unboxing, we did the close look. I'll put the video image up on the screen so you can see that, and I'll put a link in the description. Now, the other thing real quick is we already did a video on the wet dry vac, and I'll tell you, I love this thing. I'll put the image up on that also. I'll put a link in the description. I'll also put one towards the end of the video because you're going to want to see this. This thing's got the controls on the handle. They sell it tool only if you just want the tool, if you want the kit. But again, there's your image. Links are in the description. I'll pop that up later in the video if you want to click on that and watch it. All right, just a warning, do not use the turbo nozzle or the 15-degree nozzle to wash your vehicle. They are not made to do that, and they can cause damage. So just letting you know ahead of time. All right, guys, so we've got everything we need. We've got two 10 amp hour batteries. We're going to actually use a bucket, which is great. You can do this anywhere. And we've got the siphon cable. Everything's connected. So we're going to use a bucket, which is nice. This comes with it. And we're going to use a foam gun to spray the soap. Picked up some Chemical Guys soap. We'll see how that performs. But cable's all connected for the hose. And again, two 10 amp hour batteries, no issues whatsoever. It's overkill. But, and by the way, here are all of the heads. This is all of the tips, right? I went over that in the video that I came out with. A lot of good detail. So take a look at that when you get a chance. But those are the tips. We're going to be using different ones. As you can see, the gun has controls on it. And today I'm going to actually have someone that has a professional pressure washing business use this. He uses a huge machine. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of video on that in a moment. But, you know, now, you know, using something like this is a downgrade for sure. But I'd like him to use this, and he's going to be cleaning a car that is pretty darn cool. It's rare. It's hard to find. So stay tuned to check that out. But let's take a moment and look at his pressure washer. So here we are. This is his setup. He's got two machines. It's over 4,000 PSI, which is interesting because the Ego's 3,200. Anyway, you know, he's got almost 200 feet of cord. He can get this machine around any house. He's been doing this over 10 years. But I figured I'd show you what a real setup looks like. But let's go check out the consumer version. And again, I'm interested in what he's going to say as he's using it. This is actually another one that he's got. It's a newer unit. This thing's over 5,000 PSI. This is actually going to get mounted into the van. And I don't think you'll be using the trailer. But when you look at these type of systems, it's pretty darn cool. Well, anyway, let's get started with this demonstration. I put the 10 amp hour in here, but you can see there's still more room. You can fit 12 amp hours in here, you know, so pretty nice. Here it is, Toyota Supra. I'll put the model, the year on the screen, but Toyota Supra. Isn't this something? I got the bucket set up, all right, with the siphon cable, and I think I got way more than enough soap. I'm not worried about it. You can control the soap with the knob I showed you in the intro video. All right, let's check this out. Now that's on a low setting. If he wants to put more soap, he can raise the setting and it'll actually add more soap to the water, which is cool. Again, this is really the key thing. Let it sit for a minute, but you got to get more water in. It's going to take a moment, I guess. Now we're using the 40 degree. I think you can click the button to change speed if you want.
I'm trying.
No, you don't hold it, you click it.
Not changing. Let's try a different tip.
We're going to change tips.
Much better.
I don't know if we'll have enough water, but we'll see.
Much better.
We're going to need water. All right, it's going to take a minute for the water to get back in the system. Let the pressure build up. I'm recording. All right, as promised, I'm going to pop a link up in a moment in the upper right-hand corner if you want to see this wet dry vac video. This is demonstrations and everything. So get ready. I'm going to pop the link up right now. All right, so go ahead and click on that, and you'll be brought to the video to check it out. So we're done with the car. I want to see what kind of battery we have left real quick, and then I want to get his feedback. Again, he's a professional, but as you can see here, I've got 4 bars out of a 10 amp hour battery. I've got 3 bars here, so it looks like it goes to this one, then moves to this one. I'm not sure, but I mean, look, to soak the car up and to clean it, and we took a little longer because we're learning. This is the first time, so let's see what this gentleman's got to say. This is Jay, by the way. Go ahead.
At first, when we started using it, Al, I was a little skeptical, but then once we changed the tip to the 25-degree tip, I was very happy with it. A lot more pressure, a lot, faster getting the soap off. I'm very happy with it.
So for consumer, this is fine, right? I mean, that's what it's meant for.
Absolutely. Cleaning your car, cleaning off your deck, cleaning off your patio, your driveway.
Nice long cord, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I really like the feature that you can work out of a bucket. It realistically took us, what, two 5-gallon buckets to soap and clean off the car.
So yeah, use 2 buckets if you're going to clean a car. If you're going to use a truck, I don't know, you want might more. But again, you can connect this to the hose.
Right, absolutely. So that's again, I really like the feature that you can utilize, a bucket or the hose. Again, I like the feature, the different tips that they give you.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And I see that you're much happier with the 25 because we started off, I forgot which one we put on, but the 25 definitely had more pressure. And was able to really get everything moving off the vehicle, because in the beginning you weren't really too happy with that initial tip we used.
No, I wasn't, but all in all, I think it's a really, really, really good product for the price point for, around the house, very, light duty, small business. I think, great product.
Awesome. All right. Thanks a lot, man. Guys, don't forget, you can not only clean your car, but, if you got the siding stuff and you want to clean it, you can. Check it out. Nice. Well, it was nice to see a 1993 Toyota Supra. These are popular for some reason. People go insane. And again, thanks, Jay, for allowing us to come hang out and, get your perspective on what you thought, especially being a professional pressure washer. I might have you help me with that north side of my house. All right. Well, I got to tell you, it was fun making the video. Afterwards, I used this 2 more times on the Tesla to clean the Tesla. Worked great. Warning, by the way, do not use the turbo or the 15-degree on a vehicle. They're too strong. You could cause damage. So just be aware of that. Watch our initial video if you have time. The 25-degree is really fine, to be honest with you. And I like that the controls are on the handle. Really nice. Links will be in the description if you want to pick one of these up. And listen, if this video helped you in any way, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps the channel and the video. I'll also throw our social media channels up on top if you want to follow us on social media. Check out our Tesla channel, by the way. We got a Tesla a year ago. We've got 15,000 miles on it already. It's working great. I'm starting to make some videos, but if you could subscribe, if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about Teslas and electric cars, that'd be awesome. I will put Ego reviews right here. And if you want to subscribe to techmadeezy, our channel, I will put our round logo right there. Click on that, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel. All right, guys, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.